cinnamon essential oil, health benefits and uses. Hello friend. This video outlines the health benefits of cinnamon essential oil, the side effects of using the oil, and how to use the oils safely for optimum results. To purchase the oils, click on the links provided in the description section below. To read the full article, find a link to the website in the description section below. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video, to support us create more content like this. Welcome. Introduction. Cinnamon essential oil is extracted from the bark and leaves of the cinnamon plant, a tropical evergreen medicinal tree, shrub. The methods used for extraction include distillation, organic solvent extraction, microwave-assisted extraction, microwave steam diffusion, microwave steam distillation, microwave hydrodiffusion and gravity, subcritical extraction liquids, and supercritical fluid extraction. Researchers have identified 4 main types of cinnamon including 1. Mexican cinnamon, also called true cinnamon or Ceylon. 2. Chinese cinnamon, also called casa cinnamon. 3. Vietnamese cinnamon, and 4. Indonesia cinnamon. Cinnamon oils are used in the manufacture of food flavors, essence, perfumes, pharmaceuticals, and pesticides. The oils are differently priced based on extraction methods, extraction process, and final use of the oil. The main components of cinnamon essential oil include cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, linalool, cinnamic acid, cinnamyl alcohol, and coumarin. The main constituents present in cinnamon bark oil include benzaldehyde, benzyl benzoate, carophyllene, cinnamyl acetate, cinnamyl alcohol, cuminaldehyde, eugenol acetate, linalool, monotopene hydrocarbons, and safrole. Other minor constituents present in cinnamon essential oil include cinnamic acid, cinzylanol, cinzylanine, oligopolymeric procyanidins, pentacyclic diterpenes, phenolic acids, sugars, and polysaccharides. The following section highlights some of the health benefits and uses of cinnamon essential oil. Number 1. Potential remedy for oral pathogens. Cinnamon essential oil has shown ability to inhibit proliferation of a bacterium called Streptococcus mutans, which greatly contributes to tooth decay. Studies have also revealed that toothpastes containing cinnamon, clove, oregano, and thyme essential oils show strong activity against bacterial strains that cause oral diseases. The said bacterial strains include Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus mutans, Lactobacillus lactis, and Enterococcus faecalis. Researchers have also established that cinnamon oil inhibits proliferation of a fungus called Candida species that is associated with oral cavity infections. Number 2. Potential remedy for skin and soft tissue infections caused by bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon essential oil has shown ability to prevent proliferation of Staphylococcus aureus, a bacterium responsible for causing skin and soft tissue infections including abscesses, boils, cellulitis, and furuncles. Researchers have also demonstrated that cinnamon oil inhibits growth and proliferation of dermatophytes and strains of yeast that cause skin infections. The dermatophytes affected by cinnamon oil include Trichophyton mentgrophytes, Trichophyton rubrum, Trichophyton tonsurans, Microsporum canis, Microsporum mauduini, and Microsporum gysseum. The strains of yeasts affected by cinnamon oil include Candida albicans, Candida glabrata, Cryptococcus neoformans, Candida parapsilosis, and Candida tropicalis. Number 3. Can be used in antiseptic formulations. Cinnamon essential oil has shown strong antibacterial activity against Acinetobacter baumannii, a bacterium responsible for causing infections in wounds, lungs, urinary tract, and blood. Given the antibacterial and antiseptic property of cinnamon oil, it can be used to formulate disinfectants to help keep the hospital environment hygienic. Number 4. Potential remedy for urinary tract infections. Cinnamon essential oil has been shown to inhibit proliferation of Escherichia coli, a bacterium that causes urinary tract infections, UTIs, in humans. Reviewed literature indicates that most of the current antibiotics being used to treat UTIs have been rendered ineffective because the target bacteria have become drug-resistant. Therefore, use of essential oils such as cinnamon to fight the said drug-resistant strains provides an alternative and safer approach of dealing with the problem. Number 5. Potential source of natural food preservatives. Cinnamon essential oils have shown ability to prevent multiplication of pathogens associated with food spoilage. Specifically, commercial essential oils derived from the leaf branch of Cinnamomum cassia and the bark of Cinnamomum vum have shown inhibitory activity against growth and multiplication of the following foodborne pathogens: Listeria monocytogenes, Salmonella typhimurium, Broccothrax thermus facto and Pseudomonas fluorescens. Number 6. Potential remedy for pneumonia. Cinnamon essential oil has shown ability to prevent proliferation of a bacteria called Pseudomonas aeruginosa, which is responsible for causing pneumonia, or infections of the blood and the lungs. Side effects of cinnamon oil. Oils extracted from some species of cinnamon plant may cause damage to body organs and tissues. For instance, cinnamon oil derived from cinnamon cassia species contains a compound called coumarin that could cause damage to the liver and kidney. Therefore, it is advisable to avoid using cinnamon oil derived from cassia if you have a liver disease. People with diabetes are also advised to avoid using cinnamon oil as it is likely to interfere with their medication. Using too much of cinnamon oil may also trigger skin rashes or cause a burning sensation. Thus, first dilute the oil before using it. It is always advisable to do a patch test before using the oil to assess how your body will react to it. Also, keep the oil from coming into contact with sensitive body organs such as the eyes to avoid irritation. Ingestion of undiluted cinnamon oil may cause damage to the mucous membrane lining the alimentary canal. Individuals who are allergic to use of essential oils are advised to avoid them altogether. How to use cinnamon oil. Most manufacturers of cinnamon oil advise against topical use of the product due to the side effects it may cause. The following are ways you can use cinnamon oil. Adding to air fresheners, you can add a few drops of the oil to fabric sachets or a diffuser with water to freshen your home. For massage purposes, you can mix the oil with a suitable carrier oil, for example, almond oil, and use it for massage. This may entail adding a drop of cinnamon oil in about 3 cups of almond oil, and using the mixture for massage or as a skin moisturizer. Using cinnamon sticks may be used while brewing tea or coffee. In other instances, the sticks may be used as stirrers for hot beverages. Hope the information was helpful. To purchase the oils, click on the links provided in the description section below. To read the full article, find a link to the website in the description section below. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video to support us create more content like this. Thank you.